Yeah. Let's go and have a look what we got. We got some tap from behind the shop. Put my bike behind me so it don't get in the way of the camera. Let's go and have a look. Oh, let's go and have a look. Help myself, it says. There's the gates. Oh, we've got a TV, a Sony, a lamp. It is a bit steel. Let's get this on first and I'll come back for the TV. Come on, come on. I've got about just over half an hour to do. There you go, that's on, that's on, that's on. That's on. Let's go pick the TV up. Watch. Watch. Oh, isn't it good one? Oh, that looks a beauty. A Sony TV. You never know. I'll try it. Oh, nice and light. There ain't much to them these days. Not one bit. Looks like I'm coming out the back of a shop with a TV. I ain't stealing it, I promise. I've been told to pick it up. Run with the TV. Quick dash! And go on, let's go get some more tat.